Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am decorating my planner for the week. And I did not do too much to it because I didn't want it to get overcrowded to the point where it didn't look nice anymore. We are going into Mother's Day weekend. Mine actually stops on Saturday, so you won't see my Mother's Day decorations until actually Mother's Day. But I filled in the little things that I know are going to go on this week, my daughter's schedule, so I know that I have to pick her up. I'm going to try to do a family night at Applebee's on Wednesday. Hopefully that works out the way I'm planning it. And then Thursday, and then we're back at Friday again. This is the Kate Spade planner. If you guys did not know, I did a video on it when I got it. I am learning, as you guys see, to work with the horizontal with the stickers. I used some washi tape that was gifted to me, some eyelashes. I think they are very, very cute. And as you can see, they kind of glitter and shine. And this is going to be my planner for this week. I will go in as the week goes on and fill in things that I need to do, things that I need to remember. But so far, I think I did pretty good. I didn't crowd it up too much to where it looks too full. And if you need to know, the regular pages look like this. They're just regular blank pages. And then I just filled it in. And these little things I showed you I got from Michael's. The Sunday, Monday, Tuesday stickers came in a little book from Michael's. I put a camera here because I want to remember to upload some videos. I try to upload in the beginning of the week, the middle of the week, and then the end of the week. A little bit more if I vlog, but that's what I try to stay on track with that. So I hope you guys enjoy your week. Have a wonderful, wonderful work week. Blessings to you all, and I'll see you guys next time.